restless in the wind, searching for a brighter day, leaving yesterday behind. Looking forward into the light, I find you.